In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, you need to open an app called Themes and slide your finger at the top to the left, like that. This way you will access fonts category at the top right corner. Now you can either buy one or pick one of the free ones. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, download it thanks to this button and apply it thanks to the same one. When it's ready, go back to check it out. As you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to access your default font style and any downloaded ones, go back into the same, I need to close an ad, the same app called Themes, and hit my account at the bottom right corner. Now choose Fonts section and apply your default ones or any of your downloaded ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!